How's it going, guys? As you can see, car's back to white, basically looking as stock as possible, minus the Grimmspeed logo. I'll be taking the tire stickers off, but for the most part, quiet exhaust is on. Car will be looking as sleek as possible because I got the results of my state ref, and unfortunately I did not get the case fully dismissed. But I did get a reduced fine. Now, what they did, I'll take a screenshot and throw it on the screen for you guys. As you can see, my vehicle code, the level is infraction. Basically, the cop that arrested me, she did show up to the court case, and I don't know what happens because I wasn't there, and I still have yet to receive the email from my attorney. But what I did do was look on the San Mateo Court website page, and basically I could see the results there, and that's how I figured out I have no traffic school, but I do have a fine that I have to pay. So as you guys can see, there's a modified fine amount of $100 and then an adjusted total fine of $350. So I'm assuming I have to pay the $350, considering my original ticket that I was supposed to pay was $850. I paid the attorney $650, so in the end I'm only paying $100 more to see basically if I would have got the whole case dismissed or not. So interestingly enough, I'll wait to hear from my attorney exactly what it is. Hopefully it's not a full fix-it ticket, because if it's a fix-it ticket, I will have to get this all sorted out and fixed. If it's not a fix-it ticket and I can just pay the guilty fine, I'll be able to drive this thing on the road again. But it's at the discretion of, if a cop pulls me over, he or she is allowed to see on my record that I basically pleaded guilty to a state charge of pollution, car doesn't pass, and they can either give me a bigger fine. I mean, basically it's at the discretion of the jurisdiction that pulls me over what they want to do. But worst case scenario is they tow the car. I got pulled over in June, so it's basically 8 months since I got pulled over. I don't really know where I'm going with this because I don't really know what to do. I'm really contemplated of whether I want to sell this car or not, see if someone wants to buy it as is. If you are very interested in buying the car as is with all the parts, send me a message on Instagram and we can figure something out. I don't know if I'll part it out and then sell. I really don't know. All I do know is I want a car I can track more, and I mean, I could do that with this, but I am not able to afford a truck and a trailer at this current time, so driving it to the track, possibility of getting pulled over. And like it happened in the video, cops don't care if it's a track car or not a track car. So as much as I really want to drive this thing more, now that I'm going to pay bail, I don't know. I'll have to be very aware of where I drive it, I guess. I know Palo Alto, knock on wood, because of the police officer I talked to, they're not going to pull me over unless I'm doing something outrageous and they have reason to. He basically said they have better things to do than pull over cars. Around Palo Alto, maybe I'll take it to work here and there, but I think I'll be staying away from car shows for the majority of times, maybe take the truck. I really appreciate everyone who stayed around and has waited for this news. It's been a long time coming. A lot of you guys have asked. But in the end, I did not pass. My case did not get dismissed. The attorney I used is F Your Ticket. If you guys are ever interested in using them, they can fight any ticket of your needs. Like, I knew this wouldn't be a 100% set deal that I'll get this dismissed. It was a 50-50, but Randy at F Your Ticket, he worked his magic as best he could and got me a reduced fine. So it is what it is, and we'll move on from there. But thanks for staying around. Thanks for being on my side as much as you guys could be, and I'll make more videos of this car very soon. Take care.